Best Netflix plans and pricing. Netflix offers a variety of plans to meet your entertainment needs. As a Netflix member, you are charged monthly on the date you sign up. The Netflix account is for people who live together in a single household. Now, you need to sign up for Netflix today and choose from several payment options. You can easily change your plan or cancel at any time. So let's start with the first plan, which is the Netflix plan called the mobile plan. Here you have unlimited ad-free movies, TV shows, and games. You can watch on one phone or tablet at a time. You can watch in 480p SD. Download on one phone or tablet at a time. Then the second plan is called the basic plan, where you get unlimited ad-free movies, TV shows, and games. You can watch on one supported device at a time. You can watch in 720p HD, and you can download on one supported device at a time. Then we have the standard plan, where you have unlimited ad-free movies, TV shows, and games. You can watch on two supported devices at a time. You can watch in 1080p Full HD, and you can download on two supported devices at a time. As for the premium plan, you get access to unlimited ad-free movies, TV shows, and games. You can watch on 4 supported devices at a time, and you can watch in 4K, that is Ultra HD plus HDR. You can download on 6 supported devices at a time, and you get Netflix partial audio. Please note that the mobile plan requires a mobile device with Android operating system 7 or later, Fire operating system 6 or later, or iOS, iPad OS 12 or later. Casting or mirroring from a mobile device is not supported on this plan. That is, you cannot cast from or mirror from a mobile device if you are on the mobile plan. Now, here's the pricing in Nigerian Naira. For mobile, 2,500 Naira a month. For basic plan, 4,000 Naira a month. Standard plan costs 6,500 Naira a month, and premium plan costs 8,500 Naira a month. And now, depending on where you live, you may be charged taxes in addition to your subscription price. So if you also have Netflix through a package or add-on, prices may also vary.